Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce Event Monitoring. This powerful feature allows you to track detailed user activity and system performance across your organization. You can gain valuable insights into who is accessing what data, when, and from where. This helps in identifying potential security risks, troubleshooting performance issues, and ensuring compliance with data governance policies. It's an essential tool for maintaining a secure and efficient Salesforce environment. To begin using event monitoring, first navigate to the Setup menu in your Salesforce instance. From there, use the Quick Find box to search for Event Monitoring settings. Once you locate it, simply activate the feature. Make sure your user profile has the View Setup and Configuration permission, as this is crucial for accessing and enabling these settings. It's a straightforward process that unlocks a wealth of data. Once enabled, Event Monitoring generates event log files. These files are accessible through the Salesforce API or by using the Event Log File browser application. Each log file captures a full 24-hour period of activity, providing a comprehensive snapshot. You'll find over 50 distinct event types, including details on user logins, report exports, and API calls. This granular data is the foundation for your analysis. With your event log files in hand, the next step is analysis. Many organizations integrate this data with external tools like Splunk or Tableau for powerful visualization and interpretation. Look for anomalies such as unusual login times, excessive data exports by a single user, or slow page load times. By proactively analyzing these patterns, you can quickly identify and address potential security threats or performance bottlenecks, keeping your Salesforce environment robust.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.